I am Porkchop. Nice to see you again today. Today, we're gonna be reviewing some toys. Such as My Little Pony, and Mega Bloks. Yay! I'm so excited! These Mega Bloks have the minions in them. We're going to show you how to put them together, and we're going to show, and I hope you like them. So, take it away, my faithful friend. Open up a Princess Twilight box. Yay!
Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Got a Princess Twilight. Damn, this thing's big. Poster! Look at that!
Cool poster.
It's got Twilight Sparkle, her #1 assistant Spike, and her pet Aloysius. And of course, the My Little Pony collectible card game on it. Let's see what else in this box. We have a package from one of the card collections in the collectibles. We have a special edition card. Ooh, look at that.
Shiny.
Very shiny. And we got, oh, damn, these things are stuck in here. Let's see. Got a Star Swirl the Bearded poster sticker. It's a poster in the show, anyway. Okay. And we got 2 packs of collectible card game stuff from more things. Okay. And we're going to look at the box. I'm sticking my hand in her eye. Damn, it went close. Okay, there we go. And this is the items you will find in the Princess Twilight Sparkle box. Time for the next item. Here we go. I was playing. What are you guys doing?
And now, we will do a theme deck thing of Discord. Yay!
Alrighty, this deck has 59 cards, the rules, and more. Let's see what this thing has inside of there. I'm gonna open this stupid box. Well, let's see what we got here. Where's the... There we go. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Alright. Very nice box with Discord, Fluttershy, Rarity, and Screwball on it. Got a pack of cards here. Open it later. Got tokens for the game. Got the rules for the game. And we got a playmat for Absolute Discord. The best character on the show, I swear, is Discord, so collect the card set, for God's sake. Collect it! And that is what you get in the box. Not really much more is there. There we go.
Hello! Now we're gonna show you a booster pack! Yay!
Alright, we got a booster pack here, and we're going to show you what it looks like when you open one of these things up. Okay, so that's King Sombrum, by the way. Open this up. got these little talent things here. And you got basically the same thing, but on a card thing. And you got these little sticky thingies.
I love to eat those.
Don't even think about it, buddy. And on the inside, you have 12 cards to boost up your card collection. I hope you think this is cool. And that's what you get in a booster pack.